Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make varsity jacket. So you start by folding your fabric into two. Make sure that the amount of fabric you have on fold is up to your body measurement. After that, go in by 2 inch and also come down by 2 inch. You mark your armhole, which I used 10, and you mark your your neck width, which I marked 2.5 inch. Connect the lines. Also make sure you go in by 2 inch at that armhole side, then connect the line too. You mark your neck depth, which I used 1 inch. This is the back part. Next, mark your length measurement. If your length is 31 minus 2 inch for the band, then mark the remaining what you have remaining there. So after cutting the back part, I'll use the back to cut the front. But before you do that, you're going to mark 2 inch for the button allowance. After marking that 2 inch, you place the front one on top of it and cut it out. After that, you mark the front neck, separate the back from the front, then mark the front neck, connect it and cut it out. Make sure you notch your line, that 2 inch that you marked. Make sure you notch it to know where it starts. So after cutting the bodies, the next thing to do is now to cut the sleeve. I fold my fabric into 4. Pardon me, I use pen here so that you can see what I'm writing. You know it's white material. If I use white chalk, you won't see anything. So I used pen. So after marking my starting point, I take my length measurement, minusing 2 as my sleeve length measurement, and I minus 2 for the band. So after that, I measure my wrist circumference and connect the lines. Connecting the line to the armhole, the upper sleeve there, then I will cut it out. Make sure you notch the center after cutting. So this one that I have here, I cut 2 by 8 inch. The width is 2 inch and the length is 8 inch. That should be for the pocket cover. And this one is for the pocket. You just mark out something and cut it out. So to sew the pocket, you have to divide your length by 2. Just mark it. After dividing it by 2, you mark it. That is where your pocket will stop. So from that place now, that your length divided by 2, you will go down by 7 inch, which is for the pocket opening. From your side part of the body, you will come in by 4 inch, just as you can see. Then the other side, you also go in by 5.5 in order to slant your pocket. So after that, as you can see, this is how I'll place it and sew it. I'm done sewing it and this is what it looks like. Here now, I will go ahead and join the back part and front part together. I'm done sewing the back and the front shoulder together. The next thing to do now is to sew the sleeve, to attach the sleeve. Now after attaching your sleeve, I want to cut the sleeve band, which I marked out 8 inch. So I'm here now. I'm cutting the neckband. I marked 9-inch unfold. So after that, I'm going to cut this thing. I will measure 2-inch up, as in 2-inch. As you can see now, what I have there is 2-inch. So I'm going to cut it out. After cutting it, just fold, bring it together like this and slant it. That ending side, just slant it. The next thing now is to cut the sleeve band, sorry, which I marked 8-inch for the both sleeve, 8-inch. And after the sleeve, measure your waist. After measuring the waist, minus 8-inch from the actual waist measurement. Then after that, after you minus that 8-inch, what is remaining? That remaining thing, you still have to minus another 4-inch again. That 4-inch that you will minus, you will cut it out on fabric, not on the rib, just as you can see now. As you can see now, that the 4-inch that I minused, I'm beginning to cut it out on this fabric now. I marked 4 by 5-inch, the length of that rib, as in the length of the rib, not the width. So here now, I'm done sewing the neck. After sewing the neck band, I went ahead to fold that zip part, sorry, the button allowance. So the next thing to do is to stitch on it and also join the waistband. So as you can see, we are done with the clothes. I've joined the waistband and I've also sewed the button allowance. So at this point now, you can add your stickers if you have any. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.